Mastering the art of formal introductions, roles and positions. Hello, learners. Today we're going to take a deep dive into formal introductions in the English language, with a specific focus on mentioning people's roles or positions. Mastering this topic will not only enhance your professional communication but also improve your understanding of social norms within an English-speaking business setting. When introducing others in a formal setting, it's crucial to mention their roles or positions. This gives the listeners a frame of reference about the person's status, responsibilities, and relevance to the conversation or event. This section is the key to making professional, respectful, and accurate introductions. A typical formal introduction involves three main parts: your introduction, the person's name, and their role or position. Here is a basic format. I would like to introduce person's name. Who is the person's role, position, for example? I would like to introduce Dr. Emily Clark, who is the Director of Research and Development. It's important to mention the person's title, if any, like doctor, professor, etc., before their name. This signifies respect and acknowledges their professional accomplishments. English is a dynamic language, and there are various ways to introduce someone's role or position. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Please meet person's name, our person's role, position. 2. I have the pleasure of introducing person's name, the person's role, position, at our company. 3. Let me introduce you to person's name, who holds the position of person's role, position. It's key to adapt the format to the context and your comfort level, while maintaining a professional tone. The best way to master formal introductions is through practice. Let's practice with these scenarios. 1. Introduce a CEO at a company meeting. 2. Introduce a keynote speaker at a conference. 3. Introduce a new team member to the rest of the department. Feel free to pause the video and try introducing these roles on your own, following the formats we've discussed. Mastering the art of formal introductions, especially mentioning roles or positions, will take your English communication skills to the next level. Remember to practice regularly and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how learning happens. I hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of introducing others in a formal setting. Happy learning!